Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to increase the screen timeout in this device. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option display, then here you can see the option screen timeout, then tap on this one. So here you can see for the screen timeout you can set these times, so 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, up to 30 minutes you can set this one. So now I select the option 15 second. When the inactivity of the screen for the 15 second, the device will automatically turned off. So here I am going to select 2 minutes. Now go back. Now you can see screen timeout after 2 minutes of inactivity. Up to 30 minutes you can select this one. Now go back. You can see screen timeout after 30 minutes of inactivity. So simply in this way you can increase the screen timeout in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.